Hello everyone, welcome to my Temu haul, which is basically for fabric and couple of small things. As you can see, mostly what I ordered is just fur, but maybe someone is going to be interested how fur from Temu looks like. I have to say I used to order like lots of fur from there, and they are always in nice quality. This one I am planning to make a squirrel, which I actually already did at the time when I am posting this video. Then another one which I am planning to do is frog, and I already have some green fur, so I wanted to order something like close to that, but it was impossible to find any green fur, so I end up with this one. I don't know how it will go with my frog, but hopefully it will end up in a nice way. And then also I am planning to do some lion. So for lion I ordered this one. Possibly I will also do something else from that, like it looks like there is like lots of fur. And last from furs is this one, which I got for making cat. At least I'm planning to do cat. As you can see, it's losing lots of fur straps, so it's going to be messy to work with that. And a few more things which are not fabric related, but if you like badges and especially related to AuDHD or autism, I notice people are selling them on many like websites, or even like I got advertisements on Facebook for this, and they are selling them for £7-8, while on Temu you can get them for 70, 80, 90p. So yeah, so if you like to get them, just get them from Temu, as I think they are like basically same. It's people who are selling them on other websites, they are getting them from there.